Hi everyone, my name is Elisa, your English teacher. This is an English lesson, and today we are going to learn English while I clean my house. I'll talk about everything I do and explain my actions in simple, natural English. So clean with me, listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's learn English together. Let's get started. First, I'm going to organize the room because it looks messy. Look how messy this apartment is. The toys are everywhere. So first, I'm going to organize the room because it looks messy. First, I'm going to organize the room because it looks messy. I'm collecting the cards right now, so you can see. And now I'm putting these construction toys in a plastic bag. And now I'll sweep the floor with a broom. And now I'll sweep the floor with a broom. So let's sweep the floor. I'm sweeping the floor now. I'm sweeping the floor with a broom now. I'm sweeping the floor with a broom. I'm sweeping the trash into a dustpan. I'm sweeping the trash into a dustpan. Trash into a dustpan. Now I'll mop the floor using a mop and a bucket of water. Now I'll mop the floor using a mop and a bucket of water. The floor is dirty, so I need to scrub it a little. The floor is dirty, so I need to scrub it a little. So I'll rinse the mop and then dry the floor, and then wait until the floor is dry. And now I need to clean the dining area. I'll clean and wipe the dining table and organize it a little bit. I will wipe the dining table with a cloth. And now I'm going to wipe the table with a wet cloth. This part I need to scrub. There is a spot. And now I'm scrubbing the spot or the table with a sponge. And now I'm going to wipe the table with a dry cloth. I'm wiping the table with a dry cloth. That's great. The table is clean now. The table is clean now. The table is clean now. Now it's time to sweep the floor. I'm going to sweep the floor with a broom. So first I'll move the chairs. I'll move the chairs first. So now I'm sweeping the floor with a broom. I'm sweeping the floor with a broom. Let's put the chairs back. Let's put the chairs back. I'm sweeping the floor with a broom now. I'll sweep all the crumbs into the dustpan. I'll sweep all the crumbs into a dustpan. So let's do it. Now I'm sweeping the crumbs into a dustpan. And now I'll mop the floor to make it shiny. I'll mop the floor to make it shiny. I'll mop the floor to make it shiny. So let's do it. I'm mopping the floor now. 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 Sometimes I need to scrub if there is a spot. Sometimes I need to scrub, like here, if I see a spot that doesn't come off easily. Let's wash the cloth in a bucket with water. Let's wash the cloth in a bucket with water. Wash the cloth in a bucket with water. With водой. All right. Now let's move the chairs back. Now let's put the chairs back. So let's move the chairs back. The chairs are heavy. The chairs are heavy. So we are done with this part. Now let's clean the entrance. Okay, and the living room. So let's clean the entrance. So let's clean the entrance and the living room. So first let's organize it. Then I'll sweep and then I'll mop. Let's organize the entrance. Let's organize the entrance. So now I'm putting the shoes on the shelves. I'm putting the shoes on the shelves. I sweep the entrance. I sweep the entrance. And now I'm going to mop the floor at the entrance. So I'm mopping the floor now. I'm mopping the floor now. And now I need to change the water in a bucket and clean the living room because this one is very dirty. I'll change the water and clean the living room. My living room is messy and dusty and I want to make it neat and tidy, neat and tidy, neat and tidy. So my living room is messy and dusty and I want to make it neat and tidy. So first let's organize everything. Let's organize everything. Now I'll spray the table. I'm spraying the table now. See, I'm spraying it. So wipe it with a wet cloth and then with a dry cloth. So now I'm wiping it with a wet cloth. I'm wiping the table with a wet cloth. I'm wiping the table with a wet cloth. So now I'll wipe it with a dry cloth. I'm wiping it with a dry cloth. The table is spotless. The table is spotless. And now I repeat my actions again. First, I'll sweep the floor, then I'll collect the crumbs into the dustpan, and then I'll mop the floor. First, I'll sweep the floor. I'll sweep the floor with a broom, then I'll collect the crumbs into a dustpan, and then I'll mop the floor. I just cleaned the dining room, the playroom, the entrance, and the living room. So let's check it out. At first, my apartment was dirty and messy, and now it's clean and tidy. The floor is spotless and shiny. The floor is spotless and shiny. And here I do the laundry. To do the laundry, so I turn on the washing machine and do the laundry. And now I'm in the kitchen. It's time to clean the kitchen. So first I'll do the dishes or I'll wash the dishes. First I'll do the dishes, then I'll wash the kitchen counter. I'll wash the kitchen counter with a sponge, and then I'll wipe it with a cloth. And of course, I'll sweep and mop the floor. So first, I'll do the dishes, or first, I'll wash the dishes. So now I'm going to wash the kitchen counter. So first I will wash it with a sponge and then I'll wipe it with a cloth. So let's do it.
And this is a wolf.
Yeah, and this is a wolf. So now I'll sweep the floor in the kitchen and mop it. The kitchen is small, so it's not gonna take too long. Okay, so now I empty the garbage bin. So now I empty the garbage bin and take it outside. Don't push me.
I'm angry.
Are you angry? Why? What happened? Do you want to go outside to play?
Push.
Okay, don't push me. Let's take the garbage outside and go to play, okay? Okay? Okay, so we are going to take the garbage outside and go to play.
Mommy, look how I am gonna run away with wolf.
Okay, run away. Alright guys, I'm done cleaning for today. My kitchen is clean and organized now. So I'm going to take the garbage out and go take a walk. Great job! Thank you for learning English with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, please remember to like the video. Okay, tell everybody see you. Take care.
See you.
Say like the video.
Like the video.
See you in my next video.
See you in my next video.